Hello everyone, it's Toth here. Welcome to my first Fun holiday series. Come daily to my channel to see my video tutorial and my special guest. Each day I will highlight a talented crafty friend who passionately likes fun like me. Don't forget to comment on my blog to win a $50 valued gift certificate to scrapbook.com. Today I will show you a Christmas themed wedding card tutorial. But before my tutorial, meet my crafty friend, Ellen. She is super creative and sweet girl who makes cute and bright scenes with fun images. Just look at this beautiful winter scene. This winter town is just adorable with these squirrels and snowmen. It's gorgeous. I love Ellen's ideas. I think you will too. Just be sure to check her Instagram and blog. You will love it, I'm sure. Thank you, Ellen, and I am super excited and super happy that you have joined my Fun holiday series. And now, back to my Christmas themed wedding card. For my card, I used these Fun stamps. You can use masking paper or sticky notes for this technique. I added masking paper to paper, then ran the Hillside border dies through my die cut machine to get land templates. As you can see, I masked a lot, but don't worry, actually it's a lot easier and funnier and more relaxing than it looks. I blended the background with Distress Oxide inks. They blend perfectly like butter, so I use them often to my backgrounds. My next favorite thing is splattering. I love the white premium pigment ink from scrapbook.com because it's very pigmented and it has nice consistency not only for stamping. As you can see, I stamped with the ink pad to an acrylic block, then I added a drop of water, then splattered it to my card. Love it! As you can see, I made a bridal veil from vellum and white embossing powder. I made this winter-themed wedding card for my friend Flora. She is going to have a Christmas-themed wedding, but unfortunately I can't be there. The couple on my card is Flora and her fiancé, Grega, so I hope they will like the card. Now I am going to speed up my process, relax and enjoy. use a white detail pen for highlights. My absolute favorite is the white pigmenting from Signo. In the end, I made little enamel dots as Christmas ornaments with nouveau drops. A little trick for you when you use the nouveau drops directly to your card. First try it on your hand or another paper to prevent splattering. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. For more information and the product list, check the video description, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Do you like my creations? If yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.